This video will demonstrate the proper installation of Flora graphics. The tools needed for this installation include 70% isopropyl alcohol and towels to thoroughly clean the floor, 2-inch wide masking tape to lock the graphic into place, a rip tool and squeegee for installation, a heat gun to treat the edges and seams and ensure a proper seal. Thoroughly clean the floor using 70% isopropyl alcohol and towels. Once the floor is clean, arrange the panels of your graphic by placing them into position on the floor. Once in position, use masking tape across the center of the first panel to lock it into place. Fold over one half of the graphic. Lift up a corner of the backer and use the rip tool to slice across the backer and remove it from that half of the graphic. Starting from the center, use the squeegee to begin applying the graphic, working your way toward the edges. Remove the masking tape and pull back the other half of the graphic. Continue removing the backer in small sections, using the squeegee to apply the graphic. Once the first panel is installed, align the next panel by overlapping it over the first, ensuring everything lines up properly. Use masking tape to lock the second panel into place. Then, just as you did the first panel, fold over one half and use the rip tool to remove a section of the backing and begin applying with the squeegee. Then, remove the masking tape, roll back the other half, and continue removing the backer in small sections while using the squeegee to apply the graphic, paying special attention to the overlap and ensuring everything continues to line up properly. Once finished, use your heat gun and squeegee along the edges of the graphic and along the seam to ensure the graphic is sealed, smoothing out any bubbles that form along the way.